So here is what my makeup table looks like right now. I'm also about to disinfect and sanitize all the products that I just bought at the store, wipe it all down just to be safe. You know how they say wipe all your groceries and any products that you bring home from the store just for your safety, because with the virus going on right now, it's always good to be safe, you know, than sorry. Okay, you guys, so this is what my current makeup situation looks like. I just have a few eyeshadows and foundations and lipsticks, liners, brow products left. And yeah, so there is my Betty Boop doll, and I have more in storage. We just haven't unpacked all of our stuff from storage yet, you guys, and I don't really have much you know, of my items here in our place yet. But okay, so I am going to go ahead and get started with this haul, and I just wanted you guys to see how much makeup I have decluttered and gotten rid of. This is basically what I am left with. Okay, so let's get this going. So I am just going to start over here on the left side, you guys. Now this is items I bought in the last couple days. So from Target, I just got these little white bins. I'm going to put it in my drawer here in the bathroom for beauty products or, you know, facial products. These are only like $2 and you get a pack of 3. And I did get the bigger ones here for the cabinets. That we have 3 or 4 drawers here in the bathroom, so that is going to come in handy. And I also have some here, but this is a different kind for my makeup. Okay, and then I also got some of these basic cotton rounds for applying like the micellar water right here, and any other facial products, toners, things like that. So I needed a new one like that. And over here, you guys, you know that Pacifica is like cruelty free and vegan, and I just love some of their products. This one is the Hawaiian Ruby Guava perfumed hair and body mist, and I did smell quite a few of them, but this one I really like, the Hawaiian one. I do suggest these. This one is the Tuscan Blood Orange. They smell so good. So this one here is the L'Oreal La Palette Nude Intense, and I am going to open this up to show you what it looks like. There's the colors. It's just a nice nude palette with a little bit of like a mauvish pink and purple. So that is a really pretty palette. It has a good range of neutrals and medium tones and some purples and mauves. So I really like that a lot. Okay, also I did get the Walmart brand, the Equate fragrance-free makeup remover and cleansing towelettes. I got the bigger packaging one. It was more, you know, value for the money. And I did get a new Real Techniques makeup sponge, and it came with this container. I really like it. I really needed a new one like this just to start fresh. And then over here is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And I threw out the other palette that I have that had really bright colors, and I cannot find my Jaclyn Hill one. I think my kids took over it. I think this is such a good palette for the money. I think it was around $15 or $17. But I do love this palette because it has all the nice bright colors, and I just love a pop of color every now and then, and I can always reach for this palette when I need that bright pop of color. Also, this is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skim Milk vegan formula. It has coconut milk and aloe extract, and it has a dewy finish. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's a nice cruelty-free vegan formula, and I am excited for that. And this is one of my longtime faves, you guys, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. And so I just had to get one more of those. And then over here, this is Heart's makeup palette that she did in collaboration with Pixie. So I love Heart so much. Heart, if you're watching this, I am such a fan of yours. Mabuhay, sister. Okay, so this is the Pixie Heart Defensor, and it's got a lot of beautiful shades, and anything with heart on it, I will support because I just love her. You guys check her out. She's got an amazing channel. And this is her back here. Okay, and then I also got from one of my favorite actresses also, from Jessica Alba, her Honest Beauty line. And this is from Target also. And this has a lot of nice blendable shades. It says 10 high pigment blendable shades. And if you can see all those nice colors, I will open up these palettes so you guys can see it in greater detail. But yeah, I'm so excited. I've never tried an Honest product yet in her makeup line. She also has skincare, but I am excited to use this palette right here, you guys. And this is the Physicians Formula Butter Collection by Wiley Huang. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I apologize, but let's go ahead and open this up. I just want to show you, I will open this up later so you guys can see that in a closer detail. Okay, and then up here, I do have some more concealers, but I just wanted to get another one, an affordable one. This is by Maybelline. I got the light medium, the Fit Me concealer. So I have a new concealer now. That is always great to have. And also, because I threw out some of my purple shades, lipsticks, and lip glosses, I needed a new one. This is the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Marshmallow. It is a nice, like a lilac color. It is so pretty. I'm sure I can come up with some cute looks with that color. And this one is by CoverGirl also, the Exhibitionist lip gloss. This is in the shade, I believe it was Ascension. Yeah, from the packaging that I remember yesterday. It's in the shade Ascension. So this is by CoverGirl Exhibitionist lip gloss. And then I also got you guys the Exhibitionist mascara. This is one of my favorites. If you have not tried this yet, please try it. It is really good in my opinion. This one is the very black shade. I love this so much. Try that out if you guys like. And then also, I got another new lipstick, the Physicians Formula. This is a Rosé Kiss All Day. It's in a nice neutral color. This is a new shade, as you can see by the sticker. And it looks like just a neutral mauve-ish nude color. Okay, and then here's another Physicians Formula that I got yesterday. And this is just a nice lip, like a lipstick with SPF 15. And this is in the shade Soaking Up the Sun. So look how pretty that color. Just a nice summer color. Okay, and then I did get this e.l.f. Eyelash curler because when we moved, I cannot find my makeup brushes, you guys, that I had in these 2 cups. So I did order another thing of makeup brushes from Amazon. They were a really good deal. It was like $12.99 for, I think it was 16 pieces or so, and that is really affordable. But I just got another e.l.f. eyelash curler. They were only like $3 or $4, so really affordable. Okay, so I'm gonna open up these 3 palettes just so you can see them real quick. So here I opened up the palettes. I took the little liner inside and took them out of the boxes. So I already showed you guys this one here by L'Oreal. And like I said, it has the really nice, you know, light neutral shades. And then it gives you a little bit of color here with like the mauvish purples. So pretty. And over here, this is the NYX palette that I love, because if I need to get a palette that has a lot of bright colors, I can always reach for this. And it's in a nice, small, compact case. So I really love that. and I heard really good reviews about the products that I bought. I did hear good makeup reviews on these. That's why I bought them. And here is the Physicians Formula one right here. So it's got like highlighters and blushes and bronzers. Look at those colors, you guys. Apricot bronzer, butter bronzer, wildflower. I mean, these look so pretty. And then over here, the Pixie Heart Defensor. Look at these colors. So pretty. So you got, it looks like some lighter shades right here, and then over here, some deeper, warmer shades. Look at this bright red one, so pretty. It's kind of like a reddish ruby. Oh my gosh, I just love this. Okay, and then over here for Jessica Alba's palette, the Honest palette. You could see they are really blendable shades. I could really see how nice these are gonna look and all the different looks I can come up with. So yes, and I'm just gonna swatch this one really quick for you. I just want you to see. Oh my gosh, and it feels so nice. So here it is on my hand. And then I'm gonna do the swatch this one here with my other finger so you could see it on my hand. So there are the two. So pretty, and it's so smooth. It is really buttery, you guys. Okay, so I do suggest these products that I did purchase the last couple of days. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup mini haul, drugstore mini makeup haul. And I really enjoyed looking into these products, the reviews. And I really am so happy to finally start slowly replacing other makeup products that I threw out, and replacing it with new, affordable, and good products. And I will see you soon for hair, makeup tutorials, and cooking, and family vlogs. So we are just kind of settling in our place, and we didn't know what was going on regarding jobs and things like that. So I didn't want to, you know, like go right into all kinds of different videos and not know what was going on with our situation as far as like unemployment and all kinds of financial things that everybody is worried about right now. So my prayers to everybody right now, and I'm just wishing you well. I am doing my best to, you know, stay happy, stay positive, taking care of my family, and staying happy and staying busy with the things that I love, and at the same time trying to be loving and supportive to others and kind. So, you know, help us to be loving and caring to one another, especially during these times. Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.